Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale RWB 964 Hibiki from Solido. So that was the box, and now let's take the car out. Solido has also provided the door opener tool along with the car. Let's unscrew the car now. So that's the car, and the base has the name of the car printed on it. Let's take a look at the car now. The headlights are really well detailed. The indicator and the air intake on the bumper also look really nice. There's also the canard wing on the bumper and the KW suspension logo near it. The Porsche logo is a decal, but it still looks good. There's also a red tow hook in the middle of the bumper. The rivets which hold the body kit in place are also really well detailed and they look really nice. The tires have Idlers branding on them, and these Workmeister wheels suits the car really well. You can see the brake disc and caliper from here, and the lug nuts are painted in red. The wheel also rolls freely. The door handle looks really nice, and there's the Hibiki logo on the side skirt. The rivets are again really well detailed, and there's a wing-like structure on the rear fender. The rear wheels have a deeper dish compared to the front ones, and it looks really nice. It can also roll freely. There's a black and orange version of the Union Jack on the end plate of the rear wing, and there's the RWB logo on the wing post. There's the RWB logo at the back. The license plate is also really well detailed. If you look carefully on the tail light strip, you can see the Porsche script on it. The tail lights themselves are really well detailed. You can also see the vent on the rear bumper as well. Here's the iconic RWB rear wing and the air intakes under it. There are a few logos on the rear windshield, and it also has the defroster lines. There are a few logos on the rear side glass on the passenger side which are not present on the driver's side. There's also a Profusion Customs logo on the door. There's a Rowell banner and the Stack logo on the front windshield, and the wipers also look really nice. Moving on to the interior, which is finished in this black and orange theme. The dashboard is really well detailed, and you can see the gauges on the instrument cluster from here. The flat bottom steering wheel also looks really nice, and it is steerable as well. The seats have orange stitching on them, which looks really nice. There's also the Profusion Customs and the RWB logo on top of the seat. There are gel audio floor mats at the back, but there are no rear seats. There's also the orange stitching at the back. You can see that there's the black roll cage at the back, which looks really nice. This is how it looks like from the side. Now moving on to the passenger side, you can see the dashboard more clearly from here. The passenger seat is the same as on the driver's side. The rearview mirrors have chrome inserts in them and they reflect really well, and it's the same for the IRVM as well. Here's the undercarriage, but most of it is covered, but you can still see the engine and the exhaust system. You can see how wide the rear tires are even when compared to the front ones. The exhaust system is painted in silver and the tips look really nice. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.